Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your text pop with gradients and shadows? Let's dive in together. Click Create, select Custom Size, enter 300 by 300 pixels. Click Add a heading to insert text, then type your desired content into the heading box. Add an outline with a drop shadow to the object for enhanced visual effect. Click Effects, then select Outline in the text options. Choose any color, like yellow. Then, go to Effects, scroll down, and locate the drop effect. Select it to apply to your project. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the text and add another effect to the copy. After duplicating, fuse the layers, then click Effects again to continue. In the second text, click Drop and select the Offset option. See the shadow separate from the text and set its direction. Adjust the shadow manually, then add a blur effect to soften its appearance. Increase the blur effect to reveal dark areas and clearly identify the outline in the image. Set the blur effect to 0 to see visible lines. To remove these lines, increase the blur setting to 80. Adjust the shadow's transparency to make it more visible. You can also intensify its color. For example, change the shadow color to red to create a more striking effect in your design. To add a yellow or dark shadow in Canva, select your text, then apply the shadow effect. You can add multiple effects like an outline by selecting each element. After adding effects, select both elements together. Use the position tool to arrange layers and finalize your design. Click Share, then Download. Save the image as PNG, increase the size for best quality, select Transparent Background, and click Download. Now you know how to create gradient text with drop shadow in Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy design tips.